Magkaroon
Hindi
daw tayo.
kailangan yun.
ng-
I don't think kailangan. I don't think kailangan.
Hindi na kailangan.
Hindi kailangan yun. Ilong problema lang ang ngayon. Nagawa kagad nila ng paraan eh. Simple lang ang problema. They created their own problem and they provide the solution. It's purely inefficiency, mismanagement. I think we should really put reservoir in all cities of this country as well as in provinces. It's very easy to build reservoir. I cannot even understand why we're not doing that.